Well, we are over at Springhouse Gardens. It was chilly this morning. It is amazing right now. So perfect day to be out here. And actually, I must have had like on my Instagram story or something, some of the ornamental kales and cabbages from last time. A lot of people have been asking about them.
Well, this is the season for that. You really need a little bit of cool weather to really accentuate the colors, because up until now, they've just been green.
Right.
But as soon as it starts cooling down, you'll get these purples and pinks and whites.
And I love the fact this is ultimately like the same looking one, but very different tones in regards to like warm or cool.
So these are actually, you know, I always get confused which is kale and cabbage. This is a cabbage.
You would know.
You
would know better than I do. And I'm in love with that.
You know what? I get confused. I don't know. That maybe should be a kale.
Yeah,
we know this is a cabbage.
Yes.
But so what's fun about these is that these will give you color from now until it gets really, really cold. Now, the thing that most people never tell you when you're buying these is that as soon as we get below about 20 degrees, about 18 degrees, these will just turn to mush. And there's nothing worse than a frozen cabbage. It just smells really, really bad. So if you know it's going to get cold and they're still looking pretty, you might want to either protect them, take them back into your house, or just maybe get rid of them.
Yeah,
because
mushy kale
they're
and
mushy.
cabbage does
They're
not sound
very much fun.
appetizing at all.
The other thing that nobody ever tells you about this, and this is why you come here. So this is a really beautiful one. There's no holes in the leaves, but you made me grab this one
because I love the color
from another area of the garden center. And see, as these things grow, they start getting these big long stems. You get some ugly leaves. This has been here. These are some of the ones that came in before it got cold, but if you see all these little holes on here, those are from what are called cabbage butterflies. The cabbage, those are the little white and the little yellow ones that you see flitting all about that farmers don't like, because they eat anything that's in the cabbage family. But they come and they lay their eggs on here, and if you've ever seen the little green caterpillars, that's what's causing these holes. So they will just eat and eat and eat until they've eaten enough, and then they turn into they pupate, and then they turn into the beautiful butterfly.
Well, I will take that just to have that beautiful cabbage.
But you just have to pick those little worms off if you don't want to have the butterflies and if you don't want to have the holes. But and then as long as you know that, you can kind of hide that, disguise that down in your arrangement. But cabbage and kale are great for this time of the year. And I guess you can always eat them if you want to.
Yeah, if you get hungry and you just need a snack while you're outside, there you go. All right, in the meantime, if people have questions for you, still got a great selection.
This is the time to be out. Follow us for planting. We're here 7 days a week. Just look us up online at springhousegardens.com.